Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video, we are going to learn about the increment and decrement operators in JavaScript. Now, increment, the increment operator looks like this, plus plus, or 2 plus sign, and the decrement operator is 2 minus sign, or minus minus. So let's see the JavaScript way. So let's create a variable var my number equals to 10, and let's log it to the console. And it returns the value of the variable. Now, in the last video, I said that incrementing and decrementing a number is just a shortcut for addition and subtraction. Well, that's true. Increment means just add 1 to a number. Now, in this case, our number is 10 and we want to add 1 to it. So my number equals to my number plus 1. It returns 11. So we are adding 1 to our number. Now, without the increment operator, we have to do it that long way. So with the increment operator, we can shorten it like so. My number plus plus. So let's comment this line because this entire line is the same as this plus plus or increment operator. Is easier, quicker, and shorter. So let's save it, and we are still getting 11. So we are adding 1 using shortcut. Let's comment this and let's move on to the next one, which is decrementing a number. So the decrement operator means subtract 1 from a number or take away 1. So here we created a variable my number equals to my number minus 1. So we are taking away or subtracting 1 from a number. So it should return us 9. Now let's comment this and uncomment this one, plus plus. Oh, sorry, minus minus. So this is the same as this short decrement operator. It's just quicker, easier, and shorter. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Like the video if you like, dislike if you don't. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe.